What's up YouTube, it's Josh Creates here with another video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to lay your Glitter HTV vinyl. But first let's go over some of the equipment that you need to successfully print HTV glitter vinyl on a shirt. So number one, of course, you're going to need some Glitter HTV vinyl. I think this one is from the tshirtbrand. Next you're going to need your Cricut mat, strong grip I'm using, especially for the glitter. Of course, a Cricut machine, a cutting machine, any type. You can use the Silhouette, the Brother, any type of cutting machine. Heat press. This is a 15 by 15 heat press. You can use a iron, the Cricut Easy Press, or a bigger size heat press. Teflon sheet. The shirt that you will be printing on. Well, in this case, I will be printing on. Right here are my settings, my heat application settings for HTV glitter. As you can see, temperature needs to be 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Pressure is firm. Time 10 to 15 seconds. Preheat. See, they got it up there. Don't forget to preheat, guys. And peel when hot. Peel when hot, not cold now. I think regular HTV, you have to peel when it's cold. And lastly, Cricut design space, or anywhere where any design software where your design will be uploaded and created and ready to cut out. So right here I have my design right here. This is Health is Wealth. As you can see, the HIW stands for Health is Wealth, and then Health is Wealth in full at the bottom, surrounded by a heart. And yeah, so if you guys don't know, Health is Wealth is my brand. You could go support it on Facebook. I'm only on Facebook for now. I want to see how I want to see how Facebook works with Facebook business works. I want to see how Facebook business works. And you have to start off slow. I didn't want to jump to every other social media platform, which I should, but I think the safest route is to start off with one and then expand when my business expands. So you could search me up on Facebook, Health is Wealth. It has that same design with the heart and the HIW in the middle. The background is black and the design is white. So don't forget, guys, follow me on Facebook and support your boy. So now that I have my design ready, I have the right measurements ready, the right size on how I want it to be on the t-shirt. I can go in the top right corner and click make it. As you can see, it's right there. Don't forget to mirror your image. And then once you do that, you click continue. You connect it. Then you want to put vinyl, or let's see if it has Glitter HTV. If it doesn't, you'll most likely have to put just vinyl. So it doesn't. So you'll click out of there, and then you'll just click vinyl for glitter. There. As you can see, you hit vinyl. And now it's time to load my design, my vinyl, onto the cutting machine. So now the vinyl is onto the strong grip Cricut mat, and it's going to be inside the Cricut cutting machine once I hit this button. Wait, one more time. There we go. And once it's in there, you hit that to let the magic start. So the design is done cutting out. I don't know if you guys can see it. You could probably see a little bit of the heart, but it's so hard to see because it's glitter. But now that it's done, the design is done and cut it out. Now it's time to weed out the design. So let's start weeding with my favorite tool, the weeder. So I weeded out my design, as you can see. Big heart, HRW. Oh, something's missing. The dot. Oh, but the health is wealth is looking good. I'll try to see if I can find the dot and try to put it back on there. If not, oh well. But anyways, it's time to put the heat transfer, put the design on the shirt. But first, don't forget the preheat. Little 5-second preheat. And don't forget to look at your heat application settings. 320, I have mine at 350, but that's okay. The pressure is firm, I have it on firm. Press time, I have mine for 15 seconds, and don't forget to peel hot. And as you can see, they said it again, preheat all fabric before pressing. So let's start pressing. So I have the design on the t-shirt right here. I did my measurements, I did my 4 fingers down. Be careful with up there, the surface is really hot. As you can see, I made another little dot, a dot in between the H and the I. It's not perfect. I had used one of the scraps and cut a circle, and it's not perfect, but it's very well blending in. So now it's basically time to put this down the heat press. Oh, I forgot. Don't forget your Teflon sheet to protect your shirt. Always remember. So this is the final results, the final product. This is how it looks. I peeled it when it was hot. Always peel when it's hot. Yeah, I peeled it slowly and I did another press just in case. And yeah, this is how the glitter looks. That's how everything looks. Health is wealth. Take care of yourself. You take care of yourself now, your body will take care of you later. And stay healthy out there, guys. So guys, that's it for this video. That's how you use HTV glitter vinyl. I think that's the Caesar brand. I can't remember. I highly recommend you using Caesar. I don't recommend you using Cricut. Cricut vinyl is not the best to layer on a t-shirt. I don't know, just off of my experiences, it just never worked for me properly or every time. You want a HTV that's gonna work for you countless amount of times, guaranteed, stay on the shirt. And Cricut has not been doing that for me. Only Caesar, Goyatong, I forgot how to pronounce it, and HTV Ront. I love HTV Ront. They have a variety of colors, a variety of textures, and they're good. They're just good. But yeah, that's it for this video. It's Josh Creates. I'm out. Have a nice day.